Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, my name is Alisha and today I'm going to show you how to make this Oreo cheesecake. It is a no-bake cheesecake. It has an Oreo base packed with Oreos in the cheesecake filling and topped with another Oreo. You are going to love this recipe and it is so simple. So if you want to find out how to make it, keep watching. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to show you how I've lined the tin. So I've got a tin that has a removable base. You can use a springform tin as well if you want to. I have greased and lined the base of the tin and then I've just put these little flaps at the side. I'm not going to use them to pull the whole cheesecake out, but once I get it out, it's going to hopefully help me pull the cheesecake off this. So that's what you want to do for your tin. And now we can start with the base. So I have got 250 grams of Oreos here. I'm going to pop them in this bag. Remove the air, tie the bag up. I'm going to put it in a second bag just to be on the safe side. And then you can let all of your rage out with a rolling pin. You can do it in a food processor, but this is so much more fun. Then you want to grab a bowl. That's why you double bag it. Empty all of your Oreo crumbs in here. Just like so. And then if you've got any big bits, you can just keep doing it in the bowl. You just want it to resemble a sort of breadcrumb texture. I'm going to leave that to one side, wash my hands because I've got Oreos all over me, which isn't a bad thing by the way. Then I've got some butter in a pan which I'm going to melt over a low heat on the hob. I'm going to pour the butter mixture into the Oreos. All of it out. You're just going to mix it in together until all the Oreos are coated in butter. Oh, it smells so good. I'm really tempted to just eat a whole pack of Oreos right now. And we're going to grab our tin and put our mixture in here. I'm going to flatten it out. You can actually get your rolling pin to make it really nice and compact. Just like so, and then we're going to pop this in the fridge really up to an hour. You can check it about 45 minutes, but I would probably leave it in there as long as you can. So the next thing I'm going to do is make our cheesecake topping or filling. I would usually do this with an electric whisk, but I have broken mine a couple of weeks ago and I've not got around to buying another one yet, so I'm doing it manually by hand with a normal whisk, so this is going to take me a long time and be pretty much impossible, but here we go. So I have got a bowl full of cream cheese. This is a full fat cream cheese. Make sure you use full fat. I'm going to add in icing sugar and vanilla. And then you want to whisk this until it is nice and smooth. So wish me luck. And if you are doing this with an electric whisk, it's going to take a couple of minutes. For me, it's probably going to take about 5. There we go. So next thing I'm going to do is add in the double cream. And you want to mix this for a good few minutes until the double cream has got stiffer. Oh, my arm hurts. I should have just ordered a mixer off Amazon next day. Why didn't I do that? You know what, I'm going to leave it like that. It's definitely a lot stiffer and the cream has got stiffer too, so I am leaving it like that. My arms won't take any more. So now I've got some more Oreos and I'm going to crumble them up. I don't want them as small as breadcrumbs, but I want them smallish. And crumble all of these up into the mixture. I'm just going to swap to my spatula and give all this a mix through. If you don't want the crunch in your cheesecake mixture, then obviously you can crumble them right down into breadcrumbs. It will make the cheesecake kind of grey in colour, but if that's what you want, go for it. I am leaving them in bigger sections because I think the crunch inside the actual filling is quite nice. So I'm going to leave that to one side. It's been about half an hour since I put my base in the fridge. I'm going to leave it for another 10 to 15 minutes and then we can assemble it. The base is nice and set, so now we can put our cheesecake filling in. I'm just going to push this down and work it to the edges. Just like that. And then we can pop that in the fridge, ideally overnight. If not, you want to leave it a good few hours in the fridge to really set. So I'll see you in a few hours time. The cheesecake has set now, so I'm going to go around the edge with a sharp knife. Pop it up go. Oh, that looks good, doesn't it? And then you will try and get the base off. This might just tear. Let's see what we can do. This is the trickiest part of the whole thing. My hands, and you can just smooth over any bits you're not happy with. Like icing a cake. Pop that to one side, and then I'm gonna make some little swirls on top. So I've got some double cream in this bowl with a bit of icing sugar, and I'm just gonna whisk it until it becomes like thick cream, more like a buttercream texture. Again, I'd recommend doing this with an electric whisk if you've got one, but as I said, mine is broke, so I'm doing it by hand. Just want to whip it up to a texture where it can hold its shape, and then I'm going to pop this in a piping bag with a star nozzle. We can just squeeze some stars on. And then I've got some more Oreos. These are double cream Oreos. I'm just going to pop them on top. Hopefully I've got enough. Oh no, not quite got enough. It's fine. Let's figure out what my worst side is. Let's just put a normal one on. No one will know, apart from everyone watching this video. Now it's time to cut into this bad boy. Doesn't that just look so yummy? I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next week for another video. Thanks for watching, bye!